Welcome back. Sankwal Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar has alleged that Nelly with her supporters was trying to convert people to Christianity in guise of a medical camp at Lamani Chaul, Sankwal. He claimed that Nelly is taking political mileage. South Goa ZP member Nelly Rodrigues had alleged that she and her supporters were assaulted by a group in Zuari Nagar which was backed by ZP Marian Rodrigues and Ramakant Borkar. Nelly, however, has termed the allegations by Borkar as baseless.
ते दुस जे कंप्लेन येयले आमकां जे रिलीजियस ते कन्वर्शन चालू आसा जे धर्मांतरण चालू आसा ह्या धर्मांतरणा इश्यू आमी घेतला हाती म्हणून ताका जेन्ना पळय कळ्ळां ताका उजो पेटला कित्याक ते NGO धरून हे NGO वयल्यान मुखार सरस करता आयज जे चल्ले आहा तेजे आमी आवाज उठयतले आणि हो आवाज आम्ही दिल्ली पर्यंत व्हरतले.
जेन्ना म्हाका दिसले फॉरेनर्स येताय कॉलनीन सगळे घराघरांनी बसून तांकां कितें एक्सप्लेन करता ते हांव नको म्हळ्यार म्हाका जेन्ना कळ्ळें रॉंग जाता म्हणून तेन्ना पंचायती कंप्लेंट केलो आनी तेजे उपरांत कळ्ळें की मेडिकल कॅम्प कितें करपाचें आहा तांकां घेवन NGO घेवन
हें इतल्यान दाखयता की हें सगळें फेक इट्स ऑल प्री प्लॅन्ड जस्ट टू आमगे दोगांयलें रेप्युटेशन काबार करपाक आनी कांय न्हू आमगे इमेज काबार करपाक आनी आमकां गुंडा म्हणून प्रमोट करून दिता नेली युजींग फॉल्स एलिगेशन हांव म्हणून कितें न्हू बेस दाखय कॉन्क्रीट दाखय एविडन्स.
Here's what Nelly had to say.
My sincerity and my integrity cannot be will be questioned in the people's court. I don't care for the allegations that I was going there to do the medical camp, to do conversions. I'm totally shocked at these allegations. And what business have I to do? And what link the medical camp has to do with the conversion? Good for I feel it is what has happened is for my good, and I'm very happy that these people have helped me to gain more popularity in Zuari Nagar and in Kotsali constituency.
It may be recalled that couple of days back, Nelly Rodrigues had alleged of assault by a group in Zuari Nagar, Sankwal. She said she was holding a medical camp in the Lamani Chaul. But the Ward Punch member has alleged that Nelly was trying to convert people. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Taking care of special children is equal to worshipping God. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Pasekar said during a prize distribution ceremony of All Goa Drawing and Painting competition organized by Disha Charitable Trust. CM has assured all support to centers taking care of special children in Goa.
तांचे कडल्यान मागणी आयल्या की स्कुलां कमी पडटात किंवा स्कूल्स असली जाल्यार क्लासरुमां पुरती आसात. In days to come, we need to have residential institutions, we need to have good workshops, we need to have training centers, we need to have vocational education centers also. Government, on the guidance of you all, will adopt all required steps, will initiate all required initiatives in this regard. As and when they are required. Special children हो समाजाचो एक महत्वाचो घटक आणि गोव्यात साधारण 25 इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स अशी आसात ज्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनान अशा भुरग्याची काळजी घेतली वयता अशा भुरग्याची देखरेख केली वता अशा भुरग्याचो कॉन्फिडन्स वाडयलो वता अशा भुरग्यांक कॉन्फिडन्स वाढवून आपल्या पायार उभी केली वतात. दे आर मेड टू स्टँड ऑन देअर ओन फीट. तांचे काम हे खूप मोठे आसा. ते देवाचे काम करतात अशें म्हटल्यार अतिशयोक्ती जावची ना.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.